We are going to talk about Indian as apple pie tamarind chutney today, folks. More and more retailers are getting this chutney on their shelves and they're selling out immediately because it is so delicious, amazing, and it is a great condiment for just about anything you're going to make. Tamarind is a fruit. The chutney is a tamarind cooked down just so with a little sweetener and spices, and this is what it looks like. It is beautifully thick and absolutely delicious. You can eat it right out of the jar, and I'm gonna take a little taste. Super sweet and delicious, very smooth. What do you use this with? Well, you can grill up anything. It is grilling season, so grill up your protein. It could be chicken, it could be lamb, it could be pork, it could be beef, it could be tofu. Have a little dollop of your chutney with that. You could use this in place of jelly and jam on a peanut butter and jelly, maybe a peanut butter and a tamarind chutney sandwich. You can use this to drizzle over your Indian food, chickpeas, lentils. If they're a little drier, throw this in for a quick tossed salad with your chickpeas, especially the black chickpeas cooked down with Indian spices. You can put this, drizzle it over vanilla ice cream. OMG, that's what the cool kids say these days. It's so good, I promise. It is absolutely addictive and delicious. Gotta get your hands on Indian as apple pie tamarind chutney, folks. You will not be disappointed.